Have you ever typed out the longest, most important message to someone on Telegram, hit send, and then nothing? Just that little spinning clock icon mocking you forever, refusing to deliver? It's genuinely one of the most annoying tech glitches out there, especially when you're in a rush. Before you assume your account is broken or Telegram is down forever, let's run through a few quick, real-world fixes that usually get your messages flowing again in less than 2 minutes. First things first, let's check the obvious stuff. Check the red bar. If you see a little red warning bar at the top of Telegram saying updating or connecting, it usually means your local connection is fine, but Telegram's servers are choking. Next up, let's talk about app cache. Over time, Telegram stores a ton of data locally, and if that cache gets corrupted, messages stop sending. Head into Settings menu, then tap Advance and look for Manage Local Storage. Tap Clear All. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or media. It just clears out the digital junk. And hey, if you're trying to send a massive 4 GB video file on a standard account, or you've accidentally been restricted because someone reported a message you sent in a public group, Telegram will block your outbound messages completely. Double-check that your file size is within limits. If you've tried all that and your messages are still stuck, it's time for the nuclear option. Delete the app and reinstall it. It forces a totally fresh sync with Telegram's cloud servers and fixes 99% of stubborn bugs. Most of the time, it's just a brief server hiccup or a stubborn connection loop. Give these steps a try, let me know which one fixed it for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.